All right, old style hot air balloons. You have to insert the bottom rods into the basket in each of the holes. You have to insert the top rods into the hub, each one of the holes. Easiest for me is to sit down, put the basket in between your legs. It gives you something to hang on to. But just for this sake of putting it through and showing you how to do this, we are simply going to insert each one of the rods. I'm going to spin the basket just a little bit on each rod that I stick in there. So as you can see, I am putting in all of the bottom rods first before we'll go to the top rods. Just makes it a little bit easier, and it keeps the overlapping the same direction on each of these panels that we're putting in here, which is important. If you get going a little too fast, you might overlap one a different direction. So as you can see, I'm just spinning the bottom basket, putting each one of these rods, fiberglass rods, into the basket part. And we're about done with the bottom. And this is the last one, last hole, done. So all of the bottom are in place. It is good to be able to set this against yourself so you have a little hold on it. Bring your hub up to the top, and now you're going to start on each hole. You're simply going to insert and turn. I go underneath so that it overlaps on each one. So it'll be the same overlapping on the bottom as it is the top. A little hard to see there. Well, there we go. So I'm gonna go a little faster here and just get them in. But as you can see, I'm just inserting a rod on each one of these, one rod at a time. And I'm turning it a little bit to keep pushing each rod in. You can see we have a few more holes left, a few more rods left. Each rod will go in. Easier to turn it as you go. But they simply plug in. I'll pull the little string out. This is the last one, and it will plug in there. And at the end of this, you will have your hot air balloon.